Welcome everyone. We are here with the continuation of the lesson, Festivals. This is a social studies lesson for 3rd standard. Festivals of India, chapter 7. Let's go on to the exercises on page 227. The first one, A. Write T for the true statements and F for the false statements. First one, Gandhi Jayanti is observed throughout India. It's true. Second, Christmas is called the Festival of Lights. It's false. Third, children take part in the Republic Day parade in New Delhi. It's false. It's not all the children. It is related only to school children. Fourth one, Baisakhi is a day of mourning. False. It's a day of enjoyment. 5. Parsis worship at Gurdwaras. False. They worship at the fire temple. Next one, tick the correct answers. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. The festival of lights is called Diwali. 3. A non-harvest festival is Buddha Purnima. Fourth one, Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Fifth one, the snake boat race takes place in Kerala. Now coming to the question answers. When is Independence Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 15th August every year. 2. Why do some children get medals on Republic Day? Who gives them the medals? Now, some children get medals on Republic Day because of their acts of bravery and courage, and the medals are given to them by the President of India. 3. When is Gandhi Jayanti observed? It is observed on 2nd October. 4. What are Guru Parbs? How are they celebrated? Now, the Sikhs have 10 Gurus, and the birthdays of all the 10 Gurus are celebrated. But the most important one is the birthday of Guru Nanak. That is known as Guru Parv, and they are celebrated with great pomp and glory. There are prayers held in the Gurdwara and Langar. Langar is the common kitchen. Food is served to so many people at the Langar. 5. When and why are harvest festivals celebrated? Now, harvest festivals are celebrated so that the crops are gathered, and then the farmers are happy that they have got such a good harvest, and they are thankful to God and also to their co-workers and to Mother Earth for giving them such a wonderful harvest. And they want to be happy and enjoy with family and friends, and that is the reason why harvest festivals are celebrated. Name the festival celebrated by the Parsis. It is the Nowruz, celebrated by the Parsis. Next page. Life skills. Make a festival greeting card. Write a greeting message at the center of a postcard. Decorate the card with stickers and colors. Write your friend's address on it. Stick a stamp and post it. In a few days, she will receive the card. Now, this life skill, if you can do it, I encourage you to do it. It's not a compulsion. It is just an activity that's an interesting activity. If you can take a postcard and draw a picture of a harvest festival or any nice picture and write your friend's name and address and stick a stamp and post it, your friend is definitely going to get it. But the only thing is the address has to be correct. Next one, values for life. Harvest festivals are celebrated to honor the hard work of farmers and show gratitude to nature for giving a good festival harvest. Why is hard work important? What are the disadvantages of being lazy? Now, to get a good result, we have to work hard, whether it is you or me. If you don't study, you don't score good marks or good grades at the exam. So, hard work always results in success, and that is what even farmers do. They work hard at their fields to get good crops, and if the crops are good, it benefits everyone. And the disadvantages of being lazy are that we achieve nothing. We are not anywhere near success. We are always at the failure end. So that is the one big disadvantage of being lazy. When we have our co-workers or our friends climbing the ladder of success, when we are lazy, we will be just at the first rung, whereas we see our friends who are doing hard work at the top rung of the ladder. Hots. Why is the Friday before Easter called Good Friday? Now, Good Friday is called in such a way because it is on Friday that Jesus Christ has crucified on the cross. for the redemption of sins of all mankind, and that is the reason that Friday is known as Good Friday, because people all over the world believe that Christ died for the sins of all mankind and he has redeemed all mankind from sins, and salvation is there. That is why that Friday is known as Good Friday, that comes before Easter. That is all for now. Your homework will be to do A, B, C in the notebook and send to the school WhatsApp.